We here, folks. Bayside, Harley Davidson, Ducati. Shit, I hope they don't fucking kick me out. Like, why is he recording? But
let's go.
what y'all know about that? What's going on, everybody? So it is right now 2:42. So we about to do something a little different today, something that I ain't too much done or too much will do. But as I said, you know, regardless of the prior situation, and that being the motorcycle is back home in Atlanta right now, it's getting cold out here. Matter of fact, it was like in the 20s and 30s days on end, and it was like huge flooding. But so today's gonna be something special, something different. Just giving it a taste to see what you guys like, and when we get there, I guess you'll see. So we'll be going to Harley Davidson Ducati dealership just to look around. Hell, who knows? Like, anything can happen. Who knows? I might even wind up walking out with something, but yeah, we'll see. So right now, getting all my stuff together, and then we're gonna get right to it. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. All right, folks, so now walking to this daggone parking deck, to the truck. And see, here's the annoying part, right? Here's the annoying part. We used to be able to park on levels, shit, what level is it? We used to be able to park on level 1 and 2, right? Now, we gotta park all the way up there. Like, all the way up there. It's ridiculous. It's totally ridiculous what we have to do. But yeah, so I gotta walk into the parking deck, take the elevator up, get to the truck, then bring the truck all the way down, then get out. Anyway, I'll get to you once we get there. Because I just had to, like, explain the stupidest shit ever. These two elevators, right? Fucking ridiculous. So this elevator is closer, right? Sometimes, even though this elevator is closer, and this one is all the way up at 7, like I said, this one is coming down. Stupid as fuck. This one is at 2. I'm on the first level. Why is the one all the way at 7 coming down? This is ridiculous. Like the shit we deal with here. Only in Norfolk, folks. Only in Norfolk. By the way, gotta do that cold start real quick. Yes, sir. We in there. All right. Harleys, man. I can tell y'all, to be honest, I never thought that I would actually like them, but they pretty damn neat. They pretty neat. But if I were to get anything, it would be more like a fucking, I don't know, cuss. It'd be more like a street glide than anything. A street glide more than anything. Oh, I'm sorry. What's going on, bro? Hey, question. This is weird, like actually recording for myself for the first time. But like, I ain't even gonna lie to you, I ain't gonna hold you. I do like Harleys, but like it's a specific kind that I actually like really enjoy looking at. So like when I first started looking around and stuff, I would look around, I'm pretty sure this is a 338. So I was looking at like 338s and stuff like that. And then I forgot what they called this one. But I was even looking at this one before I got my first bike. I like them. Some people give you shit about them because they're small, and some people be like, it's a woman's bike. I don't believe that. I mean, if you enjoy something, you enjoy it. Ride it out. But I mean, they nice. I think this is a 128. I don't know. I could be wrong. I just forget what they call it. But I enjoyed this one. And when I get a Harley, for the most part, one, I'm gonna give it kind of that bobberous look. So it depends. I might have my handlebars much lower. I might have the real high bars. It all depends. But yeah, I don't like these kind of homies. But this boy right here, that's a bad boy. This is the kind that I enjoy. This is the kind that I like. Pretty sure this is the street blood. But I don't know. I feel like I got a little bit of time before I started riding. But yeah, that was a rip. Let's go see what they got with Ducati though. This is weird, like actually recording for myself for the first time. But like, I ain't even gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you. I do like Harleys, but like it's a specific kind that I actually like really enjoy looking at. So like when I first started looking around and stuff, I would look around. I'm pretty sure this is a 338. So I was looking at like 338s and stuff like that. And then I forgot what they called this one. But I was even looking at this one before I got my first bike. I like them. Some people give you shit about them because they're small, and some people be like, it's a woman's bike. I don't believe that. I mean, if you enjoy something, you enjoy it. Ride it out. But I mean, they nice. I think this is a 128. I don't know. I could be wrong. I just forget what they call it. But I enjoyed this one. And when I get a Harley, for the most part, one, I'm gonna give it kind of that bobberous look. So it depends. I might have my handlebars much lower. I might have the real high bars. It all depends. But yeah, I don't like these kind of homies. But this boy right here, that's a bad boy. This is the kind that I enjoy. This is the kind that I like. Pretty sure this is the street blood. But I don't know. I feel like I got a little bit of time before I started riding. But yeah, that was a rip. Let's go see what they got with Ducati though. Guys, for me, it's the fact that he said his wife gave it to him. His wife is giving him this, that, and or he got these motorcycles on his own. One, that Super Leggera V4, that's a $100,000 bike, and he was like, he just got it. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Like that's special. Like this is a special dealership right here. These are bikes that you don't typically see all the time, and not too many people have them. But yeah, that's motivation. The dealerships as well. So Ducati is smooth. I will tell you though, I give them a lot of shit. I hate on it. But one of my dream bikes, there's 3 dream bikes I got. It's the Ninja H2, the V4 Super Leggera. That's a wild shot, but you know, I got big dreams. If not that, the V4R, the V4S. And I don't know what else, but let's keep looking. So I was telling you guys, Ducatis have a single-sided swing wheel, so that's getting on one side. Now, one thing I didn't know, I finally realized with their exhaust, I thought it only came out on one side, but like with the Street Fighter V4, the V4S, I don't know, maybe the regular V4, the exhaust comes out on both sides. And it's clean. I mean, the things you can do with it, you can put a clear clutch cover and all of that stuff on it. Like I said, the winglets, smooth. The way they do the wheels, amazing. The Brembo brakes, amazing. I mean, it's locked down. This is locked down. It's amazing.
Anybody give us a bid? Whoa!
Yep.
I did that. Then I was at a Toyota dealership. Now I got this dealership. I got the one in Maryland.
Well, so this is your dealership?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, man.
I got the one.
Jesus Christ.
I got the one in Maryland. I got Harley Davidson, Ducati, BMW up there.
Oh.
And then I got Outer Banks. Got Harley Davidson out there.
Dang, man.
Hey, yes, sir.
Have you owned like one of the new M1000s?
No.
Have any?
The only reason I had that other one, like I said, the wife got it, and I sold it 2 weeks later. I had a guy that had just bought a Ducati from me.
Well, it's just too much.
You know, that's a DC bike. I knew in DC I had about 6 people wanted to buy it. You know, $100,000 in this market down here is kind of tough. You know,
I hit recorded drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face, looking like a crib. Neighborhood, that's me. Neighborhood, that's Nick. Neighborhood, do the dance. Neighborhood, do the dip. Okay, thought I'd never make it, like no way. I'm the real deal, no role play. My days off, that's no days. No, I hustle hard, yeah, I'm rose. E be the shooter, that's cold case. Those on the deals, that's brose. Got no pay, on no say. Okay, this the news, tell them read it. Been the one since the fetus. Don't sleep on me, Tempur-Pedic. That's a no, no, no. Spending dope for no reason. Got a ball head, Mr. Cleaner. Heard the big bags overseas, then we gon' go, go, go. Whoa, I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa.
Folks, so we about to get out of here. I really had the experience of a lifetime, to be honest with you with that one. I met the owner. It's crazy the stuff that you learn. But before we get out of here, just gonna do a little short video, just a compilation of the bikes in here, and then we out.